Hi and welcome to Smells Like Home Cooking, where we show you our favourite foolproof recipes for you to try at home. Today we're making this lemon and berry roulade. It looks really special, but it's so easy to make. Let's get started. This is what you're going to need. I'll put the ingredients in the description below. Line your shallow baking tin with baking parchment and preheat your oven to 180 Celsius. In a medium to large bowl, whisk your egg whites until they have stiff peaks. Then gradually beat in your caster sugar, a little at a time. Once that's all mixed in, it should look nice and shiny, so now add your lemon zest and then beat for another minute. And after that, we can quickly beat in the cream of tartar. This helps to stabilise the meringue to stop it deflating. Next we simply spread this lovely meringue mixture onto our prepared baking tin. Bake in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. After that time it should be golden, risen and set. When it comes out of the oven, tip it onto a clean tea towel that's been dusted with icing sugar. Carefully peel away the very edges of the baking parchment and then roll it like this. Doing this while it's warm helps set the shape. While the meringue cools completely, we can make the flavoured cream. Simply whisk up cream, icing sugar and vanilla. If you prefer, you can use yoghurt here instead of cream. Whisk until the cream is thick, but be careful not to go too far. It still needs to be spreadable and a lovely smooth texture. Now we're going to assemble the roulade. Unroll the cooled meringue and remove the baking parchment. Then simply spread with the cream and top with the berries. I'm using raspberries and blueberries here, but you can use whatever fruit you like. Ta-da! Once happy, simply re-roll the roulade, using the tea towel to help you. As a finishing touch, just simply dust with icing sugar and trim the ends, which make great chef treats. And there you have it, a lovely lemon and berry meringue roulade. It's perfect for Christmas when you don't want a really heavy pudding, but also wonderful in the summer. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and we'll see you again soon on Smells Like Home Cooking.